Welcome to my YouTube channel A Hindustan Times. This is the biggest secret of 2025 and the one that has shaken the foundation of global air power. Introducing America's latest hypersonic warplane, the SR-72 DARKSTAR, a creation that redefines not just speed, but the very meaning of silent destruction. This aircraft is engineered for the wars of the future, a wars where there will be no roaring bombs, no gunfire, just a shadow that passes and the enemy disappears. That's the true essence of DARKSTAR. Under the bright showroom lights, its black metallic body gleams, every curve and corner shimmering like it's not a machine, but a living beast. With a speed of over Mach 5, more than 5 times the speed of sound, the DARKSTAR can reach any corner of the globe within minutes, all without appearing on radar. Its stealth design and carbon fiber body render even the most advanced enemy detection systems completely useless. Inside the cockpit, human presence has become optional. Artificial intelligence is in full control. The DARKSTAR can infiltrate enemy territory and destroy targets entirely without a pilot. Its systems are powered by satellite links, AI-driven flight controls, and autonomous decision-making frameworks. But the DARKSTAR is not just a warplane, it's a message to the world. In the battle of technology, the one who leads rules. It carries hypersonic missiles, surveillance drones, electronic warfare systems, and the capability to jam enemy networks into total blackout. This aircraft is no longer just a symbol of American strength, it's become a global force, reshaping military strategies worldwide. Nations are now racing to develop new air defense systems just to respond to its presence. For South Asia, DARKSTAR is more than a weapon, it's a serious reminder. True defense is not built with weapons alone, it's built with knowledge, research, and technology. Its shining black wings, illuminated body under lights, and futuristic mission-ready posture all prove one thing: the wars of tomorrow won't be fought on land, they'll be fought in the skies and across digital networks. The 2025 SR-72 DARKSTAR ain't not just an American dream, but a challenge for every global defense strategist. This is the moment when humanity has fused speed, power, and silence into a single unstoppable machine. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe to Hindustan Times A, where we bring you the world's biggest headlines, the most powerful machines, and the hidden truths behind them, in your language and your style.